My people, do you actually know that you can use pasta to make swallow? This thing when they see, so when they turn, it be like semo, a be pounded yam. So my people, not be semo. This one a pasta now take one. So as you can see, hello beautiful people, you are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, we are going to be using some pasta to make swallow, as you all can see on the video. So my people, this pasta I get them plenty for my kitchen, and my children they like them before, but nowadays I don't know what call they happen. They not they want eat them again. Each time I want make and they'll say no mommy, they don't want to eat that pasta, and the pasta now it goes to expire. Oh no, now for this economic we not they waste anything and we not they agree for anybody, you understand. Now so okay, now I can't sit down the reason. So what I want to do with this pasta, and the tea they plenty for my kitchen. I don't want make it expire, I can't go through. Now so okay, now make I try this method, either it go work. Actually this is my first time when they use pasta they make swallow, you understand. So now I carry my dogu machine come out, as you all can see. I pour them for inside, I can't blend that, but that one I just do and the thing just smooth like that. No, I blend that reach like 3 to 4 times before it actually smooth like this, you understand. So now I can't put my water for fire. After the water don boil and now start to be turn now. Una dey see na our swallow is ready, neighbor. My people, you can use pasta in your kitchen to make swallow, you understand. You know what I mean. If you know say that pasta very soon go expire, instead of you to go through, we are my people abeg, if you get odogo machine for her, strong machine, just pour that inside. Oh yeah, na swallow is ready, neighbor, as you can see. After that one, you put water, cover and normal still they make your own semo, make pounded yam. You go cover am for with you load the gas, you understand. So just turn on and voila, your semo is ready, your swallow is ready. So my people, if you know say don't watch this video, you never follow, you never like, you never comment. Papa, mama, auntie, uncle, what are you waiting for? Yeah, and make una follow this page as you do. May God highly bless you. And to our returning followers, I say may God bless you all as una take dey support una again. Una say my daughter and she they help me so my children they always they help me anytime I dey kitchen, especially if I dey make wetin they like. So guys, our swallow is ready, neighbor, and this is our okra soup. So we use it to eat our swallow. Thank you guys for watching, and see you all in my next video. Una bye for now.